Are you sitting down? Good, because what I'm about to say will knock you off of your feet. You're at a crossroads in your life and in your business. And there's a cold, hard bone, chilling truth. One that too many business owners, founders, sales, marketers try to run from. You see, your company, it lives and dies by your hand. Now, don't shake your head. Don't deny it. When you're not there, you're not at the helm. It's dead in the water. That's the harsh reality. Or you tell me, who's responsible for generating revenue? Who's making the gears turn? Who's keeping the lights on? It's you. You're the one hustling, grinding, day after day, month after month, year after year, sweating bullets to keep the cash flowing. You are the heart that pumps the lifeblood of your business. Your company's lifeblood is in your hands. But the struggle, it's real. It's like moving mountains just to make a single step forward. The endless calls, the soul-crushing rejections, the sleepless nights, staring at quotas, goals, targets, profits, and losses, and your sales efforts wasting away into the wind. Those hard-fought sales meetings barely keeping you afloat. Those deals you somehow manage to close, they're your life raft in this ruthless ocean of commerce. And let's face it, you're alone in this war, fighting off the sharks with a rusty pocket knife. You're a lone wolf in the chaos. Nobody has your back. There's no white knights coming to your rescue. This ain't a Hollywood movie with a last-minute twist. This is raw, it's real, and it's staring you right in the face. You were thrown into this ruthless, cutthroat war, and this ain't a team sport. It's every man for himself. And you're right there, smack in the middle of it, with nothing but your wits to rely on. Sure, the burden is heavy. It's like Atlas with the world on his shoulders. The pressure is as intense as a vice grip. And the stress, yeah, there's a boatload of it. It's like a constant buzz in your head reminding you every second, you gotta win, you gotta win. Listen up, my friends. You know it's a tough world out there. It's like swimming with the sharks. There's blood in the water and it's yours. And no one's there in the trenches with you, no guiding light, no cavalry coming over the hill. You're left to wage this war, hoping against hope to emerge victorious. So answer this one question and answer it honestly. Just how many times have you wished for a game-changing weapon to turn the ridiculous tide of your circumstances of your sales? I know figuring it out alone is like moving heaven and earth. It's enough to make a grown man break, enough to make you question your sanity. It's like being on a never-ending roller coaster with no thrill. It's an uphill mountain with no end in sight. But here's the thing, you can't afford to be soft in this game. You need to be made of iron, of titanium. The world doesn't care about your problems. So pull yourself up, dust yourself off, and get back in the saddle. You don't just roll over and play dead. Not you, not now. But what if? What if I told you that there's a way to turn the tide? What if I told you that you can become not just a soldier, but a commander, a conqueror, a human god of sales? I know it sounds like a dream, a fantasy, something too good to be true. But what if it's not? What if your deepest, darkest desires could become your reality? Well, now it can. I want to introduce you to Upticks, a sales automation platform that's not just a tool, it's a weapon. A weapon that can put you in control, arm you with the power to conquer the sales battle. No more dealing with rejection after rejection. No more scrambling to meet quotas, goals, targets, or profits. You can automate the mundane, focus on important things, and watch your sales skyrocket. And I can sense the curiosity brewing within you right now. The burning desire to know more, to understand how such thing is possible. And I have just the ticket for you. I invite you to watch maybe the most incredible origin story you'll ever witness. It's not my story, it's yours. And it will bend your reality, and it will show you what it truly means to become a sales god in your own right. And don't just take my word for it. See it for yourself. Click the button below and step into a new world. A world where you're not just a salesperson, but a master of your craft, a conqueror of your field, a true sales titan. So are you ready? Good. Then click the button below and let's show the world what you're truly capable of. No more praying to the sales gods. Now it's time for you to become one.